they made about 10K, that's how it ain't fishing, you know, see.
I'm getting in my bag. Man, what's happening, man? We bringing out there. We got the kids out, man. Everybody about to go fishing, man. Say what's up to the channel, man.
What's up?
Man, I had to get away from that homestead for a minute, man. Just clear my mind, man. So we out here about to go. Out here about to do a little fishing, man. Check it out. Check it out, man. I don't know what we're gonna catch, man, but everybody seems to be ready. You know what I'm saying?
I'm ready to fish.
You ready to fish?
About this.
Oh yeah. Showing the worms, showing the worms.
Right here?
Got a little worms like the worms in, man, so we about to try to make it do what it do.
Mom said you put it through on that.
Yeah, that's all I be doing. My
Put it through my head.
What?
That's crazy work. So I just supposed to look for the head.
I be going for the butt.
That's not moving real.
I don't care what body part it is.
Okay, let me see it, Tiki.
What you got going? You doing the worm?
Let's go over here.
Hey, watch out for snakes. Hey, watch out for snakes.
How come did we fish last time? There's lots of fish. Mama, stay in the car.
Hold it. Hold it. Trying to fish they reels, man. Get them a little situation going. Oh no, I can't even get that crap off. Oh snap! Come on, you man. You came straight from the crib. So you gonna throw it here where I'm at, all right? If I can watch it. I don't want you to throw the reel, then throw yourself in there. You see, close the worms up for me, son. I'm bad fishing, y'all. Let me get it out there for you. Let me see it. Let me get it out there for you. He's down now, y'all. All right, son. Let it sit right there until the float go under. You feel me? Just watch it float. You see your float? Where it at? What color is it? What color your float?
Red.
Close, it's orange. I'm looking at it too. So, hold on y'all, I'm gonna get me ready. So, we're gonna go bass fishing, y'all. I'm doing a little bass fishing real quick. See, can I bring a bass ring there or something? You good, you good. Oh man, they got that sucker tight. Just let it sit. Just let it sit. Telling you, it ain't about who catch the fish first. It's just about patience, man. You had 3? What the girls over there doing? Let's see if we can get them. I'll be forgetting sometimes how to do this, y'all. I ain't gonna even lie to you. Watch it, they ain't never messing with it. I be forgetting this sometimes, y'all. Might got some bugs on it. Put this up. That cast out. Walking down. We walking down by this tree right here. Come on. I'm gonna throw you out here. Let me throw you out there.
There's a hole.
Yeah. Watch yourself. Huh. Leave it right there. I'm watching you. If it go under, I'm gonna be right here. If it go under, reel it in. I'm looking at it. My reel was acting up, y'all. And I just bought this, so. You gonna walk down. Si, reel it in. Reel it. Say what? Hold on, y'all. I'll be back. You had a wheel? Oh yeah, one of them. Sometimes it be a little hot side. Gotta have some. Everybody down there fishing. Sun out. Oh shit, I had to get that out of there. I don't know what that was. I tell you. I think the fish said, nah, man, it's too hot out here today. Look at them. They running out of option. My son, he just throwing anything. You see what I'm saying? I tell you, he just throwing anything. Mom in the car refereeing. She ain't messing with the heat today. I don't know if I got something out there. I don't mind the weather. Yeah, that way, y'all.
Is that a bag? Is that a bag?
Come on, now.
They caught a baby back! Yeah, I'm gonna catch one too.
Yeah.
Especially with one of the things that the guy said.
Why is it wet?
It came out of water. You want to hold it?
No, I'm good.
You want to touch it? Yeah, I started. You know what I'm saying? Got your little pounder. Yeah, what y'all think? Y'all think I should keep it or throw it back? Put them down here. I got one in the freezer bigger than this one. I ain't even got no. Hey, man, you seeing? I thought it was, but it was trees. Kenny, put me some water here real quick. Hurry up. You done need to throw him back? Keep him. Oh, yeah. We're going to throw him back. All right. Oh, that boy took off. Oh, snap. Y'all, you come fish with me. He wasn't big enough for my sandwich. I got a 12 by 5 bread pan. I need at least a 2-pounder. You feel what I'm saying? Y'all need worm. They in the car with it, man. They're gonna see his mama down here somewhere, his daddy. Somebody gotta be down here. He ain't just scrolling by himself. King, you had your fishing reel. You had your fishing reel. See, that's the crap out on grass. I ain't walking out there without no boots on. Dang, he came off. He came off. Dang. Throw it over. I can't. They just. Where it got off at? I tell you. And check this out, man. After my line broke, I said, forget it, man. We get in the car. We on the road. You feel what I'm saying? Locked and loaded. They ready. Yeah. Y'all tell us. We'll catch them later.
We'll catch you later.
We out of here.
Set your dream up together, then you grow together.